Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove someone from your Netflix account. So all you have to do now, you can manage your account by tap on your profile picture, tap three stripe at the top of your screen and tap on account. Here you can scroll down and find security and privacy. Control access to this account, view the most recently active devices and more. Here you can tap manage access and device. As you can see, there are some account that sign in with your account Netflix from other sources, for example from Smart TV, from PC, from Android, and current device is Android. So maybe this is the suspicious account that you can remove from your profile. Just tap on sign out. Now the other profile will gone. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.